Hey there. If you're a business owner looking to simplify app development and save some serious cash, stick around. And don't forget to click the link in the description below for a special discount on Frontly. So what's Frontly? Imagine turning your boring old spreadsheets into sleek, functional apps without writing a single line of code. Yep, that's right. Frontly is a no-code platform that lets you build custom web applications, internal tools, client portals, and dashboards, all using Google Sheets or Excel spreadsheets as your data source. Now let's dive into the juicy details. Frontly's got some cool features that set it apart. First off, it's got AI-powered app generation. Just upload your spreadsheet and boom, you've got a basic app ready to go. Plus, the drag-and-drop interface makes tweaking the app a breeze. Need custom permissions or white labeling? Frontly's got you covered. You can set up who sees what and even put your own branding on the apps. Nice, right? Frontly targets everyone, from startups to big enterprises. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a large team, there's a plan for you. And speaking of plans, let's talk pricing. They've got a free tier, perfect for getting your feet wet. Then there are paid plans that scale with your needs. One cool thing is their lifetime deals. Pay once and you're set for life. Imagine the savings, but hey, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. While Frontly is fantastic for most tasks, it might hit some limits with super complex apps. But for most business needs, it's a game changer. So why should you care? Frontly empowers you to build custom solutions without the headache of traditional coding. You save time, money, and a whole lot of stress. If you're ready to transform how you do business, click the link in the description and snag that special offer. Well, that's it for today. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome reviews. Catch you later.